everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here for the first time, then hello, welcome. In today's video, I have a small decorate with me here on our kitchen island, and then the main part of the video, we are going to be tackling our pantry that has been put on the back burner for over a year now. It was in desperate need of some help. As always, I will try to link everything that I can in the description box down below, so if you do see something you like in today's video, make sure to check down there. I am partnering with HSN for this video as well, which I will get more into in just a little bit, so make sure to stay tuned. But thank you so much to them. If you are not already, please make sure to subscribe and follow me over on my other socials like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. They will always be linked down below as well. I mentioned this in my previous video, but if you guys ever have any requests for videos, please make sure to leave them down below. I would love to film videos that you guys are requesting. And now let's go ahead and get into the video. We are going to get started here in our kitchen with my husband being his silly self. I had to keep that in because I thought you guys would find that funny. But I'm just going to start by wiping down our island. Our kitchen countertops get so dirty so quickly with two little ones. I feel like I'm doing this about 1,000,000 times a day, but it's important to keep up on it because if I don't, it will just get out of hand and then will be even more of a mess to clean up later.
You gotta let me know if I'm out of line.
I really wanted to do something a little bit different here on our kitchen island, but nothing too crazy. So I'm going to add in the same wood round tray with this beautiful vase that I got from Home Goods, which I talked about in one of my previous videos. The main thing I'm going to be changing here is the stems. I really wanted to add something in that was a little darker and moodier, and these hydrangea stems from Hobby Lobby were the perfect addition. Hobby Lobby just put out their fall stems I saw, so if you do want these this year, definitely run over to your local Hobby Lobby because these do sell out quick. To finish this off, I'm just adding my candle stool, my candle from Walmart, and my candle snuffer as well. I just wanted something that was a little more welcoming, and I really love the way that this turned out.
So far out at sea, there's no cure for what you're telling me, and soon I'm on my way. Yes, I'm on my way.
Okay, so now we are going to tackle the most embarrassing part of our kitchen, which is our pantry. I am so embarrassed to show you guys how the before was. There was just stuff everywhere, as you can see. It was a catch-all. We just placed things everywhere. There was no rhyme or reason, but it is all going to change here very soon. I just wanted to give you guys a real-life, first-hand look of what our pantry was starting out as. Definitely not the greatest. To start, I'm going to take down the baskets that we had on the top shelf in the pantry, and I'm just going to go through all of these. There's so many things in here that we just don't use anymore. All of these plastic organizers for our old pantry, we just don't use anymore, so I'm actually going to sell those so that they stop taking up so much room, because as you can see, there are quite a few of them. Once I have that done, I'm just going to place the baskets back onto the shelf, and then I'm going to start working on getting all of the things off of that shelf below it because it looks pretty rough.
Oh, heavy road, go easy on me now, and my luck will shine.
Next, I'm going to tackle our Lazy Susans that have all of our condiments, sauces, syrups, all of that good stuff. There's a lot of things in here that we either don't use or has been expired for a couple months, so I'm going to get rid of those things. And then I'm going to organize them by what is new and unopened versus the opened products and put them back onto the organizers. I'm also going to give them a good wipe down because I haven't done this in quite some time either. I am also going to wipe down the top of the microwave in our pantry and also the shelf where my Lazy Susan organizers go. This drawer right below the microwave is where our garbage bags stay, and then all of the treats and bones for our dogs. This drawer was not too bad, but you guys will just have to wait for some of the other ones because this one was definitely the least disorganized in our pantry. Found the most amazing kitchen pieces on HSN, and I have to show you everything that I got. If you have never heard of HSN, they bring together top brands, trending products, and real savings all in one place, and they have so many great products to offer on their website. The first thing that I got is this beautiful cast iron Dutch oven. This is in the color Buttercream, which is perfect for the summertime. I have been loving this yellow color. This is perfect for making dips or a smaller portion of soups or chili, even roasts. I actually used it to make a small portion of chicken noodle soup for lunch one day. Sometimes I don't want to take out a big pot or my bigger Dutch oven, so this was the perfect solution for that. And the other great thing is that I can leave this on our stove and it looks aesthetically pleasing and perfect for summertime with the butter yellow. This exact product is the Kitchen HQ 1.8 quart cast iron Dutch oven in the color Buttercream, and I will have this one linked below for you. I do have a feeling that this color will sell out quick, so make sure to run to HSN to check it out. Next up, I got the Tupperware 14-piece Wonderlier Vintage Series bowl set in the color Clear Multi. I was needing some more bowls for storage, so this was the perfect addition to our kitchen. I adore the colored lids. It is perfect for summertime and just adding those fun pops of color. I love that the lids go on very, very tightly, so there's no way that our toddler is going to be getting these off and making a spill in our kitchen. They're very convenient to store because you can take all the lids off and put the bowls inside of each other so they don't take up too much room. If you would like to shop my Dutch oven or this 14-piece Tupperware set, make sure to head to the link in the description below. I will have a link to HSN's website, and you can get $20 off your first order of $40 by using the code NEWHSN2026. Thank you so much to them for sponsoring today's video, and now let's go ahead and get back to decluttering. I'm consolidating all of our cereal, so I'm emptying a new cereal box into our organizer and then adding the little bit we had left over that didn't fit in here initially, just so we can get rid of those cardboard boxes to make this area look a little bit more organized. We do only have 2 of the plastic cereal organizers. I need to look for some more if I can find the exact ones that I got at TJ Maxx. So I'm just going to put my other 2 cereal boxes to the left of that. For this shelf with the red Solo cups, I'm just going to be tidying this area up because it was looking a little crazy as well. We didn't have any spoons left and we were running low on knives, so I am just going to refill those. Moving to the middle right drawer, this is the drawer I'm going to be dedicating to all of the kids' food and snacks. This is great because our toddler can just open this drawer and really get whatever she wants. They have so many snacks. I feel like nobody warned me about how much toddlers and babies in general just love to snack. So I'm always stocked up with all of the must-haves. If you guys have any must-have snack items for your toddlers, make sure to let me know what they are in the comments below. I'm going to take this zip and fit liner that I got from Target. This is absolutely genius if you don't want to use scissors and have uneven lines. It is really expensive, just FYI, but I am going to take the old liner that I had in these wooden bins out because they were getting a little gross, and I'm just going to place these ones in there. These are nice because I do believe you can probably wash these off so you don't have to completely remove them and put new ones in. I may be wrong, but just from the material that they are, I think they would be easy to wipe down or wash down. In here I do usually keep potatoes, onions, avocados, bananas, all of the things. Next, I'm just going to take our vacuum and vacuum down the countertop in our pantry. We use rice cereal for our baby's formula just because she had some spit up issues initially. We are weaning her off of that, but this rice cereal gets everywhere, you guys. It is insane. So this was a must to get all of that off of there before we wipe it down. These wooden bamboo canisters are having to come down as well because I am going to clean off this shelf. I was absolutely disgusted by how much dust had accumulated over the last year in here. So definitely need to do this more often. Maybe I need to put it on my calendar so that I remember to not let it get this bad. These canisters are from Amazon. They are some of my favorites. They look so aesthetically pleasing. And we do also have the smaller version on the counter. If you guys did miss that, you guys will see it here in a little bit, but they are just perfection. I cannot recommend them enough. I am going to try to organize our drawers a little bit better with some of our fruit snacks and such. Our niece and nephew are going to be over in the summertime a few days a week, and we usually get so many more snacks and just food in our house in general. So definitely going to stock them up downstairs in the kitchen that we have down there, just so that we can keep our pantry a little more organized and some of the junk food out of there. I'm keeping the decor on our counter in the pantry pretty minimal, just taking a cutting board, one of my favorite artworks, this little mini lamp, and then those mini canisters that I was just telling you about. Now this drawer was also quite a mess. It was a catch-all. There was definitely some moldy tortillas, moldy bread, you know, love to see it. But we are cleaning all of that out and organizing this drawer with the things that are not moldy. Let this just be a reminder that social media is only a highlight reel. You can see that this is the reality of what our home typically looks like. Our house is typically destroyed with 2 kiddos. There's toys everywhere, it's a mess, but I have to stop and remember that these are the days that I once prayed for, and I really try to stop and enjoy these little moments, even if the house is a mess. As long as the kiddos are happy and we are making memories, that is all that matters. So just let that be a reminder to sometimes take a deep breath. It's okay, things are gonna get messy, but you will have a clean house again, and that just makes me want to cry thinking about, but you will have a clean house again. It doesn't always have to be right now. But on that note, before I get too emotional, let me remind you what our pantry looked like before. I wanted to add in the before shots again because in one of my previous videos, you guys suggested that I do this so you can remember just how impactful this transformation was. Still so embarrassed to be showing you guys what it looked like before, but very happy with how it turned out. You guys will have to let me know what you think in the comments down below. But now it is time to show you guys what the after of our pantry looks like. There is no extra junk on all of the shelving. Everything is organized and it has a place for. I truly feel so much better walking into our pantry now to an organized space. I am definitely the type of person that functions a lot better when there is not clutter. So happy I finally tackled this. You'll have to let me know what other areas in my home you would like to see me declutter. I will have everything I can linked in the description box down below, including HSN's website along with that discount code. Thank you guys so much for being here and supporting my channel. It truly means so much much to me. If you're not already, I would love for you to subscribe and join the family and follow me over on my other socials, which will be linked down below. But until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye.